Yeah. Oh my gosh. And I got a deal for you. Now we get to do that first initial cold start. We're going to take it for a little test drive. See what it sounds like. All right. Let's see. Yeah. All right. Move my board. Go ahead. No, you're fine. Keep going. Straight. All the way. First initial drive in it. Get to see how that Bartin Hybrid 3 shifter feels.
Spectator.
Yeah, really.
Oh, I need to put the mileage on it. 1,529 miles.
Yeah.
So I need to write that down. So I think I wrote it in the book. Yeah, you can feel it. Feel that. You can feel it. You
Oh my gosh. Yeah. This is not a body mounted shifter anymore. It's mounted to the transmission, so the torque of the motor will give it a nice little sway. That's impressive though, because as radical as that exhaust can feel, it's
quiet.
very, very quiet in here. That's crazy. Waiting a long time for this project to start coming together. I know you hadn't got to do anything with it yet, but how does that feel compared to the stock shifter you had?
Totally different. Totally nothing even similar. Not even. It feels positive, like it's supposed to.
You gain some confidence when you shift gears.
Yeah,
now.
I'm gonna have to shift gears a few times, get used to it, because it's a way different.
It's not a slush box anymore.
No, no rubber bushings no more to miss gears with.
All points look good on your gauges.
Oh yeah, thing looks fine. The gas gauge looks a little bad. We can make this run, then I'll go back and buy.
A little on the low side.
I'm just gonna go to the store and back, and I'll fill it up with ethanol free in the next day or two when it's not raining.
Yeah.
I got to get used to it. Get used to shifting it.
Yeah, I agree. One of these days, this year, when it's good enough weather and the track's prepped good enough, not to race against anybody, but have a chance to be able to go through the gears and just ease on down the track, feel how it is. Nothing for times, just to feel how it goes. I'm so glad that you picked this exhaust, because after watching a lot of videos of other exhausts and how much drone there is in the cab, I know we're not up to highway speeds right now, but thus far there's absolutely zero drone.
Hill that gives you a little bit of drone, not much.
Yeah, but we're talking at a
and I'm lugging
voice.
it. I'm deliberately lugging it.
Yeah. Talking just normal voice.
Yeah.
Don't have to sit here and holler at each other.
Yeah.
That's one of the biggest things whenever you're trying to do a custom exhaust is what can you live with, what's comfortable.
Yeah. She's changed a lot in the last 2 months.
Yeah, no joke.
A whole lot.
Inch and a half, lowering kit, RTR, struts, springs, shocks,
All adjustable.
BMR upper adjustable, Eibach lower adjustable, drive shaft, shop drive shaft, Bartin shifter. All right.
Shifter, the complete Kooks header system.
Full Kooks exhaust.
That's my bad.
It's close gear ratio, isn't it?
Yeah, it's my bad. That shift.
Again, here we are at highway speeds and literally no issues. No drone.
It had a slight hesitation, so I think it's still corrected.
Yeah.
I really do. I went too tall a gear.
Yeah.
I went all the way over the fifth.
You know, even the difference in what we changed so far, suspension wise and stuff.
Crawling right now at 70.
I can feel a lot more power to the ground, even though we set it up for basically what stock
Yep.
was.
It sure got a different sound to that motor.
Yeah.
I guess we're cooking that exhaust off.
Yeah, we are.
You can smell it.
Yep.
Because I'm running cool on the engine. Everything's cool. Gauge is good. Probably ought to. Boy, that shifter I got some learning to do on it.
Let's break it back down to the old school.
Yeah. Yeah, but I never had that close a ratio in like the old Muncies and none of that shit. They didn't come close to this. This is so close till it's. And that I see now what they're talking about, breaking that second spring in.
Yeah.
It's stiff. God,
Yeah.
it's stiff.
Yeah.
And he said you're not gonna like it at first, but break it in, let it wear it some, shift some. Then, if you don't like it, take it out. I feel it.
See, even when you did that little bit of acceleration before,
Yeah.
we changed everything. It got spongy
Yeah.
and broke the tires loose.
Yeah.
That was just.
Well, this is a whole different rear end now. I mean,
It's-
the whole suspension, everything's different.
It
PMR,
really set me back in the seat.
Yeah.
You're not even pushing.
Oh yeah, I noticed the difference. It would have walked sideways with me back
Yeah.
there before.
Last time we did the exact same thing, it broke the tires loose.
I broke them in third gear. Hopefully that computer's got itself corrected by now. That little bit of driving probably.
Well, it really needed it.
Oh yeah, it does.
And you got a brand new fresh oil change on it, so
I've got absolutely no lights on here. Everything is clean. It likes what it's seeing. It's got no
yeah,
warnings, no nothing. Everything's clear.
no check engine lights, no nothing.
Nope.
Everything's good.
Yep. Everything. Yeah, buddy.
inside, it's super clean on the outside. I think it matches this motor very, very well.
When it was going through the gears, just in that sound coming out of that engine, it never has sounded it. You can tell it's breathing one hell of a lot better.
Oh yeah, without a doubt. Just imagine whenever you start getting onto the motor aspect of it, the cold air intake and all that stuff.
You don't think about it, but you realize I redlined a while ago. It hit 7,000 before I realized it. That's why I had to back off of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I bounced 7,000 just instantly. I mean, it's going to be one of them mash it and shift.
Yeah. 3 gears to get you to 60 foot.
Yeah.
It's going to be a lot of fun to find a person to dyno it. I can't wait to hear this thing on rollers.
Yeah.
I can tell you this much. For this car, for this motor, Kooks really, really did their homework.
Yeah, they did. Even though it was a bitch to put them long tubes on here. And I mean a pure bitch. American Muscle says 3 inches plus. How about 4 inches plus?
Yeah, yeah. And add 2 days.
Yeah.
1 day per side.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
And the video leaves a lot of important stuff out.
Yeah.
So anybody that goes for the video, it's a good deal. The guy does a good job. But there is a whole bunch edited, and some things you really need to know.
Yeah. Case in point.
Yep.
When you start the job, take the starter out.
Yep.
Don't be in the middle of the job and take the starter out.
Right.
Get a little cramped for space.
You can get out right here, and I'm just gonna barely push it down through there. You can hear
All right.
it. You'll get the privilege of hearing it. I'll just tap it through first and second and shut it down.
You can roll your window back up. Whatever. Hold on. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God. All right. I'm gonna push pause right here and we'll come back in just a second. All right. Now we can hear it. Well, what do you think about it?
Yeah. I know it's an old dog, generation 1. Just have to live with what you got.
That's it.